I want to talk about an event I attended in this semester. The event was a technical talk about JavaScript closures and was a part of ITU speaker series. It was addressed by Jason Lahara at ITU Auditorium on March 23, 2017. The speaker has a decade's worth of experience as a web developer and is a core contributor to Dawn.js. This event is a professional development workshop related to my internship. JavaScript closure is a very important topic in the field of JavaScript programming. I worked as a software engineer intern in the web development. My project uses JavaScript as the developing language, so this event is very useful and important to what I worked on during my internship. The audiences who attended this event are mostly ITU students from the program of computer science and software engineering. Others are the software engineers from different companies. They all have a technical background. JavaScript closure is a very important concept in programming, which helps us build more robust web software. Anyone who writes program in JavaScript needs to know about it and use it every day. In JavaScript, closures are the primary mechanism used to enable data privacy. So the audiences are interested in this event because they can learn more about this concept and write some simple programs to practice. At the event, I met some really talented software engineers to discuss about JavaScript programming. We exchanged some ideas about closures and how we use it to improve our programming. I gained some practical experience in using closure I've never thought about before. We show each other some sample code and explained how to use closures specifically. Besides, we also exchanged a lot of useful tips on JavaScript programming. For example, the design pattern we used for our current project, and the advantages and the disadvantages of that design pattern, about how to implement object-oriented mechanisms in JavaScript, how to integrate JavaScript code into HTML, and some useful third-party APIs which provide great features in JavaScript. This event provided me the opportunity to meet a lot of great software engineers who work in the same field as I worked. I learned a lot from them both technically and professionally. I'm currently working for a startup company to develop web applications. I'm really interested in writing code in JavaScript and want to become an expert in this field. So the collaboration and networking at this event helped me to make some progress. I find it easiest to talk about the technical part because it's my everyday work. I can explain in detail to others about how to program in JavaScript and write simple code to show them how to use variables and functions. On the contrary, it's a little difficult for me to get to know strangers at the event. In the future, I need to improve my skills to introduce myself to the strangers, talk to them, and let them know about my merits. This is a very important networking skill to build my network and get more job opportunities.